Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another short review, and this is a Scentsy Mini Fan Diffuser. Now it's a bit of a step away from the normal technology that I review, but I thought as this is related to cars, I thought I'd add this to the channel. Scentsy are a company from America, specialise in fragrance products, and I think last year or the year before they branched out into a couple of products about cars, and this is one of them, and this is the one that sort of attracted me, so I bought this from them. You can pick this up on the website for £18.28, and I'll show you what it looks like now. So, the first thing and the most obvious thing is the pod itself. It's made out of plastic. It's got this pattern on the bottom and a USB port on the back there. Inside there's quite an obvious fan in there, and that is pretty much it. It's literally a small fan with an electric motor, and it's powered by this. This is a micro USB, USB-B, should we say, which plugs in via USB cable into the cigarette lighter jack then on your car, and the purpose of it is to power one of these. These are the pods that you can buy from Scentsy. Now I won't go into the different fragrances because that's for them, and they have hundreds of them. So this is the one I picked up recently, an apple and cinnamon stick. You take one pod, you put it on top of there, and then that can sit then in a cup holder in your car, and every time the car turns on then the fan works and spreads the scent throughout the car. The pods themselves range from £8 through to about £12 for a pack of two. I imagine they have got sales as well, so you can probably get them cheaper than that if you can find them on sale, and you can buy them direct from the website, or you can buy them through, I think Scentsy do a similar thing to Avon, whereby they've got consultants and you can buy products direct from them. And that is pretty much it. It just attracted me because it's a cool little product. It's designed to sit in a cup holder in a car. It's quite flat, it's quite narrow, so it sits there, the pod goes inside. It's automatic, it only works when the car is working, so it doesn't waste any battery. And the pod that I've had in the car so far is 6 or 7 months old and is still working, and that's the advantage of that, even though the total price, you know, for that and that is maybe 25-30 quid. It's lasting. It's 6 months old, whereas, you know, if you bought one of those little scent tree things you put in the car, you're swapping it out every couple of weeks, and you know, the cost mounts up eventually. So I really like this. Okay, there we are. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed, please click like and leave a comment, and if you would subscribe to my channel as well, I'd be most appreciated. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers now. Goodbye.